Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef ball tip roast. So let's get toasting. I have a beef ball tip roast here, which I think is actually a cut of sirloin. It says sirloin underneath here. So this one was $5.99 per pound, 1.67 pounds, so it was $10. So that's anything under $6 is pretty good for beef around here. I'm in Northern California, so it's not a bad price. It's all meat, no bones here. So I'm going to season it on both sides with some kosher salt. Alright, and some Johnny seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, has red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I think a little bit of sugar. Flip it over here. Alright, we'll do that side. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet that I bought at Walmart. Fits perfectly in my toaster oven. It's a Mainstays brand. I guess that's their brand. It was about $8. So, alright, that is all seasoned up. Now we'll get it into the toaster oven. I usually like my meat cooked to about 130 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. So I have a quick read thermometer to check the temperature with. So what I'm going to do here is start out on a low heat. I'm going to start out at 250 degrees Fahrenheit and let it just cook for a bit like that. And then if it looks like it needs more color, I may move it up and put it under the broiler at the end. It's been 25 minutes, so I'm going to pull this out and check the internal temperature here. There's 29 right there. 104 right there, 105. But see, there's not much color, so I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move the rack up to the top and then put it under the broiler for a little bit. Hopefully this won't be too hard to move here. Alright, get that out. I'll put it on in the top position right there. I have about 1 inch clearance between the meat and the top burners there. Now I'm going to set the oven to broil at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been under the broiler for about 10 minutes, so let's see how it looks here. If I can get a hold of that. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. Alright, let's see what the temperature is here now. 122 right there. On this side it's 139. So, okay, I'm not going to put it back. It's a little more cooked on one side than the other, but that's fine. I'm going to let it rest there for a few minutes and then we'll try it out. This has been resting for 10 or 15 minutes. Let's see what the temperature is now. It usually keeps climbing even after you pull it out of the oven. So 131 on that side and 140 on that side. I'm going to cut this right down the middle and we'll see how it looks here. Alright, there we go. Not bad. I sliced off a few pieces and it looks nice and juicy. I didn't broil the underside, but that's how it looks. It looks good. So anyway, let's try a bite of this. That came out good. I'm pretty happy with that. I guess we better let Annie try it. You don't like steak, do you, Annie? Roast, whatever it is. Nah, I just swallowed it whole. That method worked out good. So that was about 25 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I pulled it out, moved the rack up, put it under the broiler at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. So that came out real good. But if you don't want to mess around with all that, I think if you just put it on the rack and cooked it at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or so, and then just check the temperature. That would turn out good, you know, that way as well, if you want to just keep it a little simpler. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.